And yun, good morning guys. So it's 1:24 a.m. So we're here at NAIA Terminal 2. We're going to Butuan City. Butuan City. Yun. So, ayun guys, makwento ko lang. So after almost 3 years working as executive chef sa isang 3-star resort sa Chaong Quezon. So we decided to resign and to focus on best business venture as a chef consultant. So I opened lots of restaurant already. So yung previous natin, we have in Bulacan, we have in Cavite. So we're having more projects. So now I invited in Butuan to train people to do some recipes to add to their restaurant. So the concept is the Japanese, and then they also have the Chinese, and they also have the Italian. So yun, so lahat naman ng cuisine hawak natin. So yun, we're waiting sa ating flight papunta doon. So 5 days after that, we're going back. So I'm going back to Manila kasi open natin yung isang restaurant located sa UST Manila. Then after that, asikasuhin din natin yung Marikina natin. So tatlo yung projects ko. So and then after that, balik ulit ako sa Butuan. So yun, ganun lang yung ating magiging setup lang, ma-share ko lang please from dishwasher, line cook, from CDP, sous chef, executive chef. So now yun na, ito na tayo. So ito guys, yung ating magiging home for 5 days. So yan, first being a chef consultant. Yan, so ito yung aking rooms. So yan guys, ganyan kapag ka chef consultant ka. So yun, syempre once na chef consultant ka, free accommodation, yan, free fare tickets, aeroplano, free foods and everything. So ganyan yung pagiging chef consultant guys. So talagang, pero madugo naman kasi yung R&D, the menu, the recipes itself. So kailangan talagang pagtrabahuhan. And yun, so later check natin yung isa sa restaurant nila, and then yung kanilang restaurant din sa hotel. So yun yung mga i-check natin lahat. So kaya dapat kapag ka chef consultant ka, talagang yung iba't ibang concept ng restaurant, ibang concept ng mga pagkain, so yung mga iba't ibang cuisine, so dapat yun lahat alam mo. So and then you also have the recipes na talaga na na-R&D mo na para konting adjustment na lang. So yan yung mga ginagawa. And so ito na yung kanilang pizza na siyan. So brick oven to. And yeah, so see. So 4 formaggi with prosciutto.
yun guys, kahapon nagturo na tayo. Dito na stay. So yan yung restaurant. Then dyan ako nag-stay sa Maris Suites. Yan, that's our home for 5 days. So 5 days na ako dito. After that, balik naman Manila para i-open yung isang Asian restaurant. Yan. So yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Chinese restaurant nila. So ito yung isa sa restaurant naman. So bukod sa Italian tsaka Japanese, ito Chinese. Yan. So sarap ang pagkain dito, legit. Grabe, busog na busog ako, ang sarap. Yan. So first being a chef consultant, you know, so may have chicken pa tayo, the wonton noodles, the fried rice. So wow, yan. Thank you so much for my client. Grabe, Naya, grabe, sarap. Busog na busog. So yun guys, flight na tayo today. Babalik na tayo ng Manila kasi open pa natin yung isang Asian restaurant doon. So thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. So free accommodation, free flight, free foods and everything. Sobrang saya, sobrang sarap kahit pagod sa pagiging chef consultant yun. So thank you so much. Maris Suites. So yan sa Premier Business Hotel in Butuan. So owned then by our client. So yun, so daming food business, daming hotels. Yan. So yan yung perks having a chef consultant. So talagang pagod sa biyahe and everything, pero sulit naman. So thank you rin dahil syempre ayun, extra tip, tapos every drops with a value talaga. So lahat ng recipes talaga. So bukod sa service, yung mga recipes na nagagawa, so bayad yan guys. So yan, so ganun yung pagiging consultant. Lahat ng mga recipes mo na legit, babayaran yan ni client. Bukod pa din yung service mo as a chef consultant. Yan. Hindi na natin na videohan nakuhanan yung presentation ko ng Japanese teppanyaki tsaka yung mga ramen and soup kahapon kasi sobrang sobrang kailangan ng i-present. Yun, so thank you ulit. God bless everyone. Yun guys, departure na tayo from Butuan to Manila.